स्वागतम अस्ति क्लास 6 संस्कृत चैप्टर 2 आकाशः पतति। क्या कभी आपको ऐसा हुआ है कि आपके फ्रेंड ने कुछ बोला और उसकी बात में आकर के आप उसके इंस्ट्रक्शंस फॉलो करने लगे और आप दोनों को देखते हुए तीसरा जो फ्रेंड है वो भी आपके जैसे अनुकरण करने लगा और इस तरह से क्लास ऑफ 50 सभी लोग सेम चीज करने लगे विदाउट नोइंग हु स्टार्टेड एंड व्हाई। Let's find out with this beautiful story of शशकः यानी कि रैबिट। प्रिय छात्रों, मैं हूं आपकी संस्कृत आचार्य डॉक्टर नम्रता। नमस्ते संस्कृत YouTube चैनल पे आपका स्वागत है। हमारे चैनल के साथ जुड़िए, प्रेस द सब्सक्राइब बटन एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू क्लिक ऑन द बेल आइकन। Let's get started. I will be performing these actions with you so that you can easily read it, pronounce the Sanskrit words and do it with action so that a meaning can be understood. So let's get started. एकम वनम अस्ति, एक जंगल है, there is a forest. तत्र शशकः निवसति, वहां पर एक रैबिट रहता है, there lives a rabbit. शशकः शयनम करोति, this bunny the rabbit is sleeping. तभी वहां पे क्या होता है? पर्णम पतति, एक पत्ता ऊपर से नीचे गिरता है। पर्णम पतति, पत्ता गिरता है, a leaf is falling. अब आप ही सोचिए, हम अच्छे से सोए हुए हैं और अगर कुछ हमारे ऊपर गिरता है तो हम अचानक से ऐसे उठ जाएंगे लाइक अ शॉक, जैसे कुछ देख लिया हो। तो बस उसी तरह से ये जो शशकः है वो इतना डर गया है कि वो डर के मारे उठ गया और भागने लगा। शशकः भीतः भवति, द रैबिट इज फ्राइटन। शशकः धावति, नाउ द रैबिट इज रनिंग, वो दौड़ रहा है। अब जब ये रैबिट भाग रहा था तब उसे एक श्रृगालः मिलता है यानी कि फॉक्स। देखिए वो क्या करता है। श्रृगालः आगच्छति, फॉक्स इज कमिंग। शशकः वदति श्रृगाल भ्रातः धावतु आकाशः पतति, यानी कि ओ श्रृगाल भैया, ओ ब्रदर फॉक्स, द स्काई इज फॉलिंग, धावतु रन। और इसी तरह से शशकः धावति, श्रृगालः अनुधावति, द रैबिट इज रनिंग एंड द फॉक्स इज फॉलोइंग हिम। जब भी संस्कृत में हम अनु लगाते हैं उसका मीनिंग होता है पीछे पीछे। आफ्टर दैट धावति टू रन, अनुधावति रनिंग आफ्टर हिम, लिखति अनुलिखति टू राइट and write after following. For example, शिक्षिका लिखति, छात्रः अनुलिखति, the teacher is writing and the student is following her in writing. Anulikhati. Similarly, this word is anudhavati. Now, without understanding anything, this fellow is running and this another fellow is running without asking the reason. Just because, oh, the sky is falling. And after that, what happened? Vanarah agacchati. Vanarah agacchati. This monkey is coming and the shashakah is again advising him. What? Shashakah vadati vanara bhratah dhavatu akashah patati. Okay, run because the sky is falling. So now this Shashakah, Shrigalah as well as Vanarah, everyone is running. This rabbit is still frightened. Bheetah Shashakah dhavati, Shrigalah dhavati, Vanarah api sah dhavati. Bheetah, frightened. The frightened rabbit is running. Fox is running. वानरः अपि, the word अपि means also, कि बंदर भी भाग रहा है। Monkey is also running and running सह meaning running with. So all of them are running together. Now, Vanasya Raja Simha, the king of the forest, Simha, lion, sees everyone. Simha agachati, lion comes. Simha vadati, shashaka kimartham dhavati. At, oh rabbit, why are you running? Kimartham meaning why. Kimartham. Did you observe one thing? Rabbit is called Shashakaha, meaning any of the pullinga word. Maybe your name could be Sachinaha, Ramaha, Krishnaha, Virataha. Any name, it should have aha if you are saying Mama, Nama for boys. But if I have to call you and if your name is Virataha, I will not call you Virataha. I will just tell, oh Virata, oh Sachina, Krishna, Rama. That's why while calling him, the Simha says Shashaka without having Visarga. So Shashaka, kimartham dhavati? Why are you running? Shashakaha vadati. He says, Simha bhrataha dhavatu. Akashaha patati. Oh brother lion, run. The sky is falling. Now, for a second, this king of the forest is questioning rabbit for the first time ever. He says, Simha vadati, the lion says, Akashaha patati va. Is the sky really falling? Akash pade chhe su? Kutra patati, where is it falling? Kutra yani kahan? Kahan gir raha hai? Where is it falling? What will he answer? Without answering, this rabbit is just running and running to save his life, to protect his life. So, Shashakaha gacchati, Simhaha api saha gacchati. The rabbit is going and this lion is also going. So, another word, api, also. So, let us have a look who all are running. Shashakaha, Shrugalaha, Vanaraha, and now Simhaha. Now, while running, they came to exactly the same tree where this rabbit was sleeping. So, पूरा चक्कर काट के वो वापस वही जगह पे आए जहाँ पेड़ों के पत्ते गिर रहे थे. And now this lion is asking again, Shashakaha vriksha samipam agachati. Rabbit is coming close to the tree. Simhaha vadati, the lion is saying, Kutra patati akashaha? Kutra patati akashaha? Where is the sky falling? And now this rabbit realized, and now he is looking everywhere, and then he is saying, oh, my bad. It's not falling. The leaf of the trees are falling, not the sky. That's why he understood it, and Shashakaha kimapi na vadati. The rabbit is not saying a word. He didn't say anything now. That's why both of them understood whose mistake it is, and it is so silly of the rabbit to run like that and make the whole forest run after him just to protect their lives. So they understood each other, and at the end, Simhaha hasati. The lion also smiled. Lion smiled. And that's why Shashakaha palayanam karoti. Nowhere can he be found. The rabbit ran away. Palayanam karoti. Otherwise, what will happen? These all animals who are running after him will beat him up. કે ખબર નથી પડતી આ શું કરી રહ્યા છો? કારણ વગર અમને આટલી મહેનત કરાવી. And things like that. So, let's forget it and let's forgive this silly mistake of Shashakaha. So, this was our chapter 2, Akashaha Patati. I hope you understood it and loved it. If you loved it, comment and say, I loved it. Now, let's move on to exercise. Not dumbbells, but the exercise given after this chapter on page number 8. Prishta Kramank Ashta. So, our first question is, pronounce the following words orally. આપણને આ શબ્દો બોલવાના છે, તો શુદ્ધ ઉચ્ચારણ સાથે બોલીએ. Shashakah. Many of you would be having this problem. I hope not. But if you are having and struggling with sa, sha and sha, I have made a separate video for this pronunciation. Please improve your pronunciation by looking at this video. And let's say it properly. Shashakah. Uttamam. Second word is bhitaha. When there is a dirgha e, we will pronounce it lightly. Bhitaha. This two dot at the end, जभी भी ये विसर्ग लगता है, the उच्चारण has to be like half h. Bhitaha. Correct. Shashakah. Bhitaha. Agacchati. Agacchati. Vanar bhrata. Vanar bhrata. Anugacchati. Anugacchati. Vriksha samipam. Vriksha samipam. Second question is, we have to match the photo of the animals and the tree with the appropriate words. Let's see, where is simha? Please take a ankani, a pencil in your hand, and then match it. Simha. Shrigalah. Shrigalah kutra asti? Shrigalah atra asti. Vrikshaha kutra asti? Vrikshaha atra asti. It is here. Next word is shashakah. Shashakah kutra asti? Where is this shashakah? Atra asti. Last is vanaraha. Kutra asti? Vanaraha atra asti. See how beautiful. You can even use different types of color pencil, Varna Ankali to match this. Let's move on to the next question. Let's read one by one sentences and mark with appropriate pictures. The first sentence says, Shrigalah agacchati. Shrigalah, a fox, is coming. Let us find out where the fox is coming. I think this is the answer. What do you think? It appears that Shrigalah agacchati is in this picture. So let us match this sentence here. Shrigalah is this. Agacchati, coming. Second is Parnam patati. A leaf is falling. Let's find out where the leaf is falling. Okay, here it is. Here is the leaf and leaf is falling on the rabbit. So Parnam patati is this sentence. Third sentence says Vanaraha agacchati. A monkey is coming. Okay, now where is the monkey? Oh, here he is. Vanaraha agacchati. Our fourth sentence is Simhaha hasati. The lion is laughing. And where is he? Of course, this one. Simhaha hasati. Next is Shashakaha vadati. This rabbit is talking, and is talking to whom? To the lion. He is talking here. See, they are having a conversation. So Shashakaha vadati is the first photo. Last sentence says, the end of the story, Shashakaha palayanam karoti. He runs away. So running away photo is this. So we will mark it here. So this was chapter 2 of class 6 Gujarat board. I hope you enjoyed it. મજા આવી હોય તો કમેન્ટ કરજો, લાઈક કરજો અને તમારા મિત્રોને આ વિડિયો અવશ્ય પહોંચાડજો. ધન્યવાદઃ. પુનર્મિલામઃ. Do some Parotka today. Share this video to those who are still confused in Sanskrit. Join our WhatsApp group called Sanskrit Support System. This is exclusively for students of class 5 to 7, class 8 to 10 and class 11-12 onwards. Keep learning and have fun with us in Sanskrit. पुनर्मिलामः. धन्यवादः.